Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. As you age, it's natural to lose collagen in the skin. Collagen losses can make skin less tight and may increase the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's thought that banana face mask can help increase collagen via silica, thereby reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Bananas are rich in antioxidants, which help to fight free radicals in the body. Applying antioxidants to your skin may help protect from free radical damage. You may also be left with more glowing skin. Well, today I'm gonna share with you this magic mask for lightening and brightening your face. Just try it and you won't regret it. All we need here is 1/4 bananas, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mash your banana using a fork. Keep going until you have a lumpless goop, which should take at least a minute or so of active mashing and mixing. Add cornstarch and honey and mix all the ingredients together. And before applying any face mask, firstly clean your face from any makeup. Do a final light stir and gently apply your face mask using your fingers. Start with cheeks, then chin, then finally forehead. Leave plenty of space around your eyes. If you do get it in your eyes, give it a good cool water wash in the sink. Leave it for about 25 minutes and rinse it with warm water. Pat dry, then tone, moisturize or use whatever serums or creams you normally use after washing your face. Try this once or twice a week for best result. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.